different values that are will be appeared in this graph, and this is a very simple method that are used in our research papers, that are used in our articles. We will select all the table and click on insert. Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to change the columns into different designs. We are using Microsoft Excel sheet, and we will learn today how a column that can also appear in different graphs and different figures. So just first of all, then we will see that different graphics are formed in this way. We will just click on it, just a single sample, just one. You can see this is different values that are will be appeared in this graph, and this is a very simple method that are used in our research papers, that are used in our articles, that are also used in our when we will convert our data into the graphics form. And the graphic forms is such a form that can be easily understand. Just like this, you can see here is different names are also present in the x-axis, and the y-axis the different numbers are present. And here is show different colors: Jan, Feb, March, April and May. And we can see simply and easily that where is this value is present. So this is a very simple method. And a single graphic form, we can also use different graphics as we want to make our sheet more fascinating. So we can use it different, just like this one, just like this one. This one is for stock and not using at this time. You can see here is also different chart forms. So this is a very fascinating method and fascinating way that are also used in our research, thesis, papers, articles, and our daily office use when sale sheets and balance sheets are made by different employers. So use this method and stay blessed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.